What if a small bowl of blackberries could boost your heart, digestion, brain, and even slow aging, while also causing a few surprises? These tiny juicy berries are often called a superfood for good reason. Today we'll break down the real benefits and possible side effects of eating blackberries daily. We'll dig into the science, highlight the potential downsides, and reveal a few facts that might surprise you. Whether you're a berry lover or just looking to boost your health, this video is for you. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by diving into the world of blackberries, a fruit that's as delicious as it is nutritious. These tiny, deep purple berries are more than just a sweet treat. They're packed with an impressive array of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. So, what exactly makes blackberries a true nutrition powerhouse? For starters, they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs every day. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your bones, or simply enjoy a healthy snack, blackberries have you covered. Just 1 cup of blackberries delivers about half of your daily recommended vitamin C intake. That's a huge benefit for your immune system, helping your body fight off infections and stay resilient. Vitamin C also plays a key role in keeping your skin healthy and glowing, supporting collagen production, and helping wounds heal faster. But that's not all. Blackberries are also a fantastic source of vitamin K, which is crucial for strong bones and proper blood clotting. Plus, they're rich in manganese, a mineral that helps your body process nutrients, supports bone development, and acts as a powerful antioxidant to fight off damaging free radicals. Beyond these, blackberries offer a spectrum of other nutrients, including vitamin A for eye health, folate for cell growth and repair, and a range of B vitamins that help turn your food into energy. This combination makes blackberries a well-rounded choice for anyone looking to nourish their body. Their rich dark color isn't just for show, it comes from anthocyanins, a group of powerful antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and may even lower your risk for chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. The more vibrant the berry, the more anthocyanins it contains. Blackberries are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, with about 8 grams per cup. That's a significant amount, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly, supporting gut health and making you feel full longer. Perfect for anyone trying to manage their weight or simply stay satisfied between meals. And here's the best part. All these incredible nutrients come in a low-calorie package. 1 cup of blackberries contains just 60 calories, making them a guilt-free addition to your breakfast, snack, or dessert. You get maximum nutrition without the extra calories. So, the next time you're strolling through the produce section, don't overlook these little gems. Whether you enjoy them fresh, toss them into a smoothie, or sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, blackberries are a simple way to give your body a nutrient-packed boost. With their impressive lineup of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, blackberries might just be the nutrient boost your body's been craving. Give them a try and taste the benefits for yourself. Blackberries are a digestive superstar, and adding them to your diet can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels. These juicy berries are packed with dietary fiber, which is one of the most important nutrients for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Thanks to their high fiber content, blackberries help regulate your digestive process from start to finish. Just 1 cup of blackberries contains about 8 grams of fiber, which is nearly a third of your daily recommended intake. Fiber acts like a gentle broom, sweeping through your intestines and helping to move waste out of your body efficiently. This not only prevents constipation, but also helps you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. Plus, fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Blackberries contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance, which helps slow digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and keeps your digestive tract running smoothly, reducing the risk of digestive issues. The fiber in blackberries also supports your gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract. When you eat fiber-rich foods like blackberries, these bacteria break down the fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation, support your immune system, and even improve your mood. If you struggle with sluggish digestion, adding a cup of blackberries to your daily routine can make a real difference. Many people notice less bloating, more regular bowel movements, and an overall lighter feeling after making blackberries a regular snack. To get the most benefit, increase your blackberry intake gradually and make sure to drink plenty of water. Water helps fiber do its job, softening your stool and making it easier to pass, which can help you avoid any initial discomfort. Some people may notice a little gas or bloating at first, especially if they aren't used to eating a lot of fiber. This is completely normal. Your gut is simply adjusting to the increased fiber, and these symptoms usually go away after a few days, as your digestive system adapts. Everyone's digestion is unique, so it's important to pay attention to how your body responds. If you notice any discomfort, try spreading your blackberry intake throughout the day or pairing them with other fiber-rich foods for a balanced effect. In short, blackberries are a delicious and natural way to keep your digestive system regular, your gut bacteria happy, and your whole body feeling its best. So next time you're looking for a snack, reach for a handful of blackberries and give your digestion a healthy boost. Blackberries are a heart-healthy choice. Their anthocyanins and antioxidants help lower your risk for heart disease by improving blood vessel health. Potassium in blackberries helps control blood pressure, while fiber lowers LDL cholesterol. Polyphenols may even reduce the risk of blood clots. All these benefits come in a low-calorie, delicious package. If you want a simple, natural way to support your heart, add blackberries to your routine. They're heart-smart and crave-worthy. Your future self will thank you. Trying to lose weight? Blackberries are your friend. Low in calories and high in fiber, they fill you up without weighing you down. Fiber slows digestion, keeps you full, and helps regulate blood sugar, curbing cravings. Some compounds in blackberries may even support fat burning. They're sweet and satisfying on their own. No added sugar needed. Toss them in yogurt, blend into smoothies, or snack on them fresh. Make blackberries a daily habit for a tasty, nutrient-dense boost. They help you stay on track the healthy way. Blackberries might help keep your brain sharp as you age. Their antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, protect brain cells from damage and support memory. Studies suggest berries can improve coordination and slow age-related decline. Polyphenols in blackberries may boost blood flow to the brain, keeping you alert and focused. While more research is needed, adding blackberries to your diet is a smart move for brain health. Whether you're a student or just want to stay sharp, blackberries are true brain food. Don't underestimate this humble berry. Can eating too many blackberries cause problems? For some, yes. Suddenly increasing fiber can lead to bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially if your gut is sensitive. Blackberries also contain natural sugars and carbs that may cause discomfort for some people. Start with small servings, and increase gradually to let your gut adjust. Drink plenty of water to help fiber do its job. If you notice symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider for advice. Moderation is key, especially if your digestion is sensitive. Blackberries are low in sugar and have a low glycemic index, making them a smart choice for blood sugar control. Their fiber slows sugar absorption, helping keep energy steady, but portion size matters. Eating too many, or pairing with sugary foods can still impact blood sugar. If you have diabetes, monitor your response and enjoy blackberries with protein or healthy fat. For most, blackberries are diabetes-friendly in moderation. Listen to your body and consult your doctor if you have concerns. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet. Rarely, some people may have an allergic reaction to blackberries. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or digestive upset, usually mild. If you have other berry allergies, introduce blackberries slowly and watch for symptoms. Serious reactions are very rare, but seek medical help if you notice anything unusual. For most, blackberries are safe and delicious. Just be aware if you're prone to allergies. Blackberries contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in some people. If you have a history of kidney stones, watch your intake and stay hydrated. For most, moderate blackberry consumption isn't a problem. Oxalates are found in many healthy foods, so balance is key. If you're unsure about your risk, talk to your doctor before making blackberries a daily habit. A little caution goes a long way for some people. When it comes to enjoying blackberries, you might wonder, how many should you actually eat each day to get the most benefits? Blackberries are packed with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, but like any food, moderation is key. For most adults, aiming for about 1 cup of blackberries per day is a fantastic goal. This serving size provides a healthy dose of nutrients without overdoing it, making it easy to fit into your daily routine. 1 cup is just right for a nutrient boost, enough to give your body antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, but not so much that it could upset your stomach or overwhelm your digestive system. There are so many ways to enjoy your daily serving. Try sprinkling blackberries over your morning yogurt, blending them into a smoothie, tossing them into a fresh salad, or simply eating them by the handful as a snack. If you're new to eating blackberries, or if you have a sensitive stomach, it's a good idea to start with a smaller portion, maybe just a few berries at first. Gradually increase the amount as your body gets used to the extra fiber and nutrients. To keep your blackberries fresh and tasty, store them in the refrigerator and always rinse them under cool running water before eating. This helps remove any dirt or residue and keeps them crisp. Whether you choose organic or conventional, fresh or frozen, blackberries are a convenient and delicious way to add more nutrition to your diet. Frozen blackberries are just as nutritious as fresh ones and can be used in recipes year-round. So, get creative in the kitchen. Add blackberries to oatmeal, desserts, or even savory dishes. However you enjoy them, you'll be giving your body a tasty boost of health every day. Should you eat blackberries every day? For most, yes, in moderation. They're delicious, nutrient-dense, and support heart, digestion, brain, and weight management. Just listen to your body, especially if you have sensitivities or kidney stone risk. Mix up your fruit choices for variety and balanced nutrition. What's your favorite way to eat blackberries? Share in the comments. Like and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.